Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Toyota Highlander Platinum. This one is gray. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 295 horsepower and 260 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch alloy wheels. Gray leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear captain's chair. Rear heated seats, rear climate controls, rear power outlets, third row seating. Highlander Platinum all-wheel drive badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, blind spot assist, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, JBL sound system, rear view backup camera with sensors, touchscreen media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, power outlets, USB ports, automatic transmissions, or different driving functions. This Highlander has 7,495 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota Highlander Platinum, visit us at feldmanimports.com.